Welcome to JH. Meet Dachy 2.0, the super lifelike, plush dachshund that supposedly uses AI to walk, wag, and tilt its head. It's marketed as the perfect pet without the mess, which is great if you enjoy the company of a robotic void that never needs to eat. But does it actually work? Let's just say the advanced simulation technology they brag about is so advanced that they forgot to explain how any of it actually functions. Most legitimate robotic pets brag about their sensors and motion controls, but Dachy 2.0 prefers to keep its secrets, probably because those secrets don't exist. Then there's the mysterious power source. This thing supposedly moves and reacts, yet there's zero mention of batteries or charging. Maybe it runs on hopes and dreams. That's a massive red flag in the world of electronics. They also claim to be featured in BuzzFeed and Wired, but they haven't provided a single link or screenshot to prove it. It's a bit like me claiming I'm the secret heir to the British throne. It sounds impressive until you realize there is absolutely no evidence to back it up. To make matters worse, the promotional videos look suspiciously AI-generated. If this pup actually worked the way they say, you'd think they'd show a real clip instead of a digital fever dream. And don't get me started on the reviews. Their website is a sea of perfect 5-star ratings. Yet Trustpilot is as empty as a stadium after a losing game. It's almost as if they wrote those glowing testimonials themselves while sitting in a basement. When you add up the lack of tech info, the missing battery details, the fake media claims, and the AI-generated promos, you've got enough red flags to start a parade. Honestly, it feels less like a high-tech toy and more like a classic internet scam. My advice: keep your money and stick to a real dog. At least you know where the batteries go in those. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss more updates like this.